Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight gamepad or controller not working problem. So in this solution, first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. So for that, first you have to connect your PC and controller, and after that you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, this time select disable Steam input and then try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If this doesn't work, come back again, simply select the default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. Once the game files is verified, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next, to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, and from here you have to remove your controller. Click on three dot and then click on remove device. Once you have done this, restart your PC and after that again go to settings and click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller. Now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update. Click on check for updates option over here and wait for some time. Once your Windows is up to date, now launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game, because developers often releases patches or updates of the game that you should download and install it. So you will be able to see an update option over here. Click on update and after updating the game, launch it and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you can simply go through the link I have already given in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, you just have to go below, click on the download option over here. After downloading DS4 Windows tool, you have to install it, and after that connect your controller and update it. Once you have done this, launch Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight game and then check for the error. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.